All right, guys. Thanks for coming back checking out our video. It's Marty with Wheels with Marty here. And today I got a new product to me from Coach Kimmy, Magic Wheel Cleaner. I have used this on the SQ7 and it worked really well. It's got iron removing properties, so it does smell kind of funny. It does have the purple effect to it. So let's jump into this video and check out, see what we think about it. We're going to do it without rinsing first, with rinsing first, and then we may try to do it and see if it's like a touchless as well. So let's check it out. All right, so there's like rocks, I guess, in there, but we're gonna spray this on there and use this to be the without pre-wash, like no pre-rinse, and see what happens with this. Again, it's all cool. I just pulled it out of the garage, so. Yeah, see, there's that bad egg smell. It smells terrible. What I might do is have this be like a touchless one, maybe. Because I noticed that there was a little, like some rocks, like pebbles or whatever in there. Yeah, so we're going to just spray it on there, cover it nice. It says to let it sit, shake well, which we did, spray the surface well. Don't use on hot paints or surfaces in direct sunlight. Super cloudy day today, so we're good with that. And allow 2 to 5 minutes for it to take effect, and then rinse with high pressure. So that's what, just letting it sit here a couple minutes. It is turning purple on the ceramic rotor back there, so it is turning purple. So it is got that purpling effect on there. I don't know if you can see it in the in there or not on the camera. It's kind of dark out because it's kind of cloudy and stuff. But yeah, so it's been sitting. We're gonna let it sit here and work for a moment. Sun trying to peek out, but I chose this side in case the sun does peek out. We're in the shade on this side of the car, so it smells terrible. Not as bad as some that I've used, but it smells pretty bad. It does not say anything about it being a tire cleaner. Let me see here. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about being a tire cleaner. Well, that's why you probably didn't see me really spray it on there. Now in my bucket, I have with the soap in there, I have citrus washing gloss in there, just as like, to add lubricity to it when you're cleaning the wheel. But this should, in theory, might be a spray on, spray off. So, well, it's been sitting for a minute. Let's try it out. Let's check it out and see. Now, there is a little bit of soap still running down there, but kind of get the idea of it. Let's look and see if it did anything. That's pretty good, actually. Yeah. This might be something you want to use in the winter for like if it's really cold out, you could probably do it that way. So you can see it. I don't know if you can see it if it turns on the camera, but it actually did clean it pretty well. So yeah, it's a little bit of dirt still in there. It's not coming off of my finger, but I can see a little bit there. A little bit right there. Oh, that's actually just soap. But that actually worked pretty well. Now again, that was me not pre-rinsing the wheel. So now we're going to go to the back wheel, and we'll film that one with pre-rinsing it and then spraying this on there and doing the whole shebang to clean the wheel. So we'll be back with that in a moment. All right, so we're on this back wheel. For this one here, we're actually going to do the whole process. We're going to pre-rinse it and then use my soap in the bucket to actually clean the whole wheel so you see it. So I don't know if that shows up or not in there, but you can kind of see the purple forming a little bit on the rotor. We take really good care of our cars, so you don't see a lot of purpling on this one. The SQ7, you'll see it sometimes because those brakes do put off a lot of iron. On the wheel face, you'll see the purpling on that one. This one, you don't really see it because, I mean, the carbon ceramics don't really throw off any iron like that anyway. Not that much. I mean, they do obviously, but not that much. So, all right. So now the soap that you see here on the that's foaming up like this isn't that stuff. This is something else that's in my bucket that's making it foam like this. I got some Chemical Guys citrus washing gloss in my bucket. Sometimes when I don't have products, I just got to run to the store and buy something, and it's all they had. So this is what we got. Now that foaming action you see there is from the Magic Wheel Cleaner because I'm about out on my brush of the citrus washing gloss. So make sure you get you a little tool like this. I got some different ones from different companies. Essentially they're all the same. Just get you a nice soft like Boar's Hair brush, and you can get in all these little nooks and crannies. I have all this stuff in my Amazon store. Links in the description below, as always. I'll also link in this Magic Wheel Cleaner. A direct link to that will be down there, and a link to my storefront where you can buy everything that I use. So make sure you check out my storefront, see what we have in there. Got some goods in there for you guys. All right. This wheel brush is great too to get in, like, if you have these big calipers like this, it's good to get in there because it's flat, it's a little barrel blade thing. It's really good for that. So soft too. It's microfiber on there, so. And then we're going to take this and just kind of go around the face of this thing really good here. Get some more soap on there. I got my mitt in here. I'm very detailed when I do this stuff. Now, I'm not going to go through the whole process of bringing out the leaf blower to draw off the wheel because you guys have seen me do that before. You know how to draw off the wheel. There's no point in that. You can see it's clean. There's no dirt anywhere. I mean, I'm looking, there's just nothing there. So I'm not just going to go through the whole process to blow it off with the leaf blower because it's kind of redundant at this point. Stuff does work really good. I can tell from using it, it is kind of slick. It does smell bad. If you're not like needing the iron removing properties, it is kind of pricey for what it is. So if you don't need that, you could probably just stick with the Brake Buster. Plus Brake Buster has the rust inhibitor on it as well. I mean, I like the Brake Buster a lot. I mean, if I'm ordering stuff, that's probably what I use mostly. But this stuff works really well though. Kind of pricey, but works really well. Check that out. Reminds me of Sonax. If you see my Sonax video, it reminds me of that. Yeah. So again, this was the Coach Kimmy Magic Wheel Cleaner. It's a small bottle. You can get in a bigger bottle, put it in your own spray bottle if you want. But this is pretty pricey for its size. It works well. Maybe a little bit too pricey. In comparison to some cheaper products, it works just as good. But it definitely does work. It does work. But Coach Kimmy makes great stuff, man. They really do. It's good stuff. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop in the comments below. I'll get to them all. And thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. See ya. Bye.